What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy VZ. Welcome back to the channel. This is the channel where tech is not everything, it's the only way. Hey, yo, everybody doing, man? I got a new camera. This is it right here. Pocket 4P. I'm super excited for this camera. I really wanted a pocket camera because my original pocket camera was this. This is my original pocket camera. This is my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I got it with the Polar Pro Light Chaser 17. I think this is a 3 to 5 stop ND filter, and as you can see, I got the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. So pretty much this is my pocket setup. Might not look it, but that's what it is. Don't get me wrong, my iPhone is super good when it comes to making my content, especially when I'm shooting. At the end of the day, it's still my phone. I have 3 rules when it comes to a pocket camera. It has to be light enough for me to carry, it has to be quick to react to everything that I'm doing, whatever I want to record, and it has to be stable enough for me to hold it handheld. So I always have my eyes on the pocket cameras, but I'm not a 20mm guy, just to be honest with you. As a photographer, I am more of a 35 to 85mm. When it comes to video though, I will kind of concede to the 20mm. I don't want to hold you here too long. This is not a specs breakdown. This is unboxing. I also have some accessory that I got for this right here. I want to go over the accessory. Who knows, you might see something that you like. I got 2 cases that I want to choose from. It's been a minute since I've been really excited about a camera like I am for the for this one. Thing is, I don't know what DJI got going on, man. Are you releasing it? Are you doing that? I get this off eBay, so you ain't got to worry about no embargo and none of that shit. I can't tell you, this is fresh from eBay. I pay a little over 800. Pretty much you can see sealed. I just cut the plastic. I've never owned one of this before. I'm super excited. I am here for that 17 stops of dynamic range that they say this thing has. So this is a standard kit, by the way. I really don't need vlogger's kit because really I'm not a vlogger, man. It's standard is good for me. What is this? Some form of linear. Let's see what we got here. I've learned not to rip up these plastic. I don't know. It's like kind of my pet peeve. Just like a little strap. This is the light. I probably will use it. I'm not even gonna tell you I won't use it because sometimes you do need a little fill light, man. So you can't beat it before you try it. So we always say, right? It's a little fill light. Plus they got a new update now. I actually like this case. Kind of feel like the DJI Mic 3 case. This is a charger, which I probably will never use. And I guess this is everything in here, man. I think this is like the little handle. I ordered one that I can put on my Ulanzi chest rig. That's why we here to see this beautiful camera. People talking about this shade, but I don't care, man. It's on a gimbal, bro. Let's go with the lenses. Boom. Boom. I should buy some screen protector for this. Ready for it? Let me get closer with this. Yeah. How can we forget that? We don't need all that. I know we got information on there. And all right. Okay. All right. Ready for it? Ready? Powering out. Ooh. Lovely. This is my least favorite case. This is from the Sunny Life. Rah. 73. It's a little bit bulky, man. Maybe if I'm bringing it in a camera bag, I probably fits nicely in here, I guess. Nah, you can't put no filter in here. Let's see how this looks. A lot of safety, but you know what I'm saying? I don't know. All right, so this is kind of my least favorite case. Looks like a guitar case. All right, so this is kind of my favorite case because it's sort of stealthy. You know what I'm saying? Knife fracture vision. Wait a minute, I think this is, yeah, this looks a lot more like my speed, you know what I'm saying? Get a little lanyard right here. You gotta squeeze it like so. There we go. Get the authentication right here. See what we're doing here. All right, this looks like my speed, man. Like this right here is definitely my speed, and these are all from Sunny Light. Okay, so let's try out the filter that I got this from Small Rig. You got to keep these microfiber cloths, man. They are useful, especially this one. All right, so this is it right here. You can see it. Huh? Look at that. All right, so this kit, I think I paid $45 for it. You get CPL here, and you get a variable ND. This right here is the base plate, and to my understanding, you can stack these filters. So you can put the base plate, and they're all magnetic. So this one actually screws on. It's like the drone, bro. You just turn it, pop it off like so. This is the base plate. So apparently you put it like so, and then you gotta turn it. There we go. So this is the CPL. So let's go ahead and snap it on here. pretty decent, huh? Yeah, you just kind of rotate it to get that glare out the water. There you go. And then you can just pop it off like so, because it's all magnetic. Damn, it's on there, man. All right, small rig, I see you, baby. I think this is what I'll have most for me, what I'm shooting, because I'm mostly gonna shoot my content, just about me. There you go. That looks pretty dope, huh? It looks pretty slick on there, huh? See how that thing looks. Look at that. Hey, let's turn this into the thumbnail. Maybe put it here, kind of get your attention on here. You see it? Wait, let's put the light on there, man. This is gonna be my thumbnail. 17 stops of dynamic range you get from a 20 mil. And I'm also gonna be putting out a lot of content using this, so I don't have to pop out my other pocket camera, which is this. Let me go. Let me see. Look at that. That's my pocket and pocket. I mean, because if I do it like this, I do get that 4K vertical, but this apparently you don't get the 4K vertical, you get a 3K vertical. Why couldn't they just, when you put it on that, it just, like it just turned? Maybe that's an update they can put into it. Come on, DJI. I have a gig coming up the end of this month. I'm going to hybrid shoot, and this is going to be my video camera that I'm going to use. Best believe I'm going to use that. So I definitely get you in the next video. I am out.